Hi there, this is Carol Grant, estate planning attorney here in Davie, Florida. Today I want to talk to you about mistakes people make when they take it upon themselves to draft their own estate planning documents, such as a will. So here is one particular situation that I saw last week. So I was presented with a will, and I'm going to go through and talk about three mistakes that I saw in this will that was a DIY, do it yourself willer, right? So someone decided I'm going to do this on my own. Firstly, the person left their home to their adult child. At first, you're like, oh, there's nothing wrong with that. Well, the problem is that adult child has a disability and receives Medicaid, receive public benefits. And if that person receives anything greater than 2,000, now that person, they are now at risk of losing their government benefits, right? So there is a way that that could have been avoided. So you do not leave assets outright to a person who has a disability and receives government benefit, right? So that's the first mistake. The second mistake is they left a real property to a child, a grandchild that is only 13 years old. Again, very generous. But now that triggers a guardianship. In Florida, assets that are left to a minor child that's over 15,000 needs to be held in a guardianship. And so now we're talking about having to probate the estate, firstly. Secondly, having to open a guardianship for a minor child. This could have been avoided with a trust. Thirdly, the will was not self-proved. And in Florida, it is a will must be self-proved. Well, if the will is not self-proved, there is a way to make it self-proved, but why not make it self-proved from the get-go? So now that's an additional step that we have to take when we file the petition to probate. All right. So leaving assets to an adult with a disability that's receiving government benefits. Secondly, leaving assets to a minor child. And again, the will not being executed properly. So all of that means that it's going to take more time. It's going to take more money to get this done. I hope this information is helpful. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click the link below. You'll get information that will be very beneficial to you that you can actually use or pass on to someone. Have a great day.